The gallery carousel block lets you add an image with a caption, actually multiple images and the caption. You can select an image one by one and clicking add gallery item to create a new one, or you can click and select two images or even more at the same time and click to select all of them to create new items. If you want to remove an item from the carousel, you can click on the minus icon. Let's go to preview mode right away, and you can see that there is a carousel created with the arrow navigation and also the dots in the bottom. You can also swipe to control the carousel. Let's see the additional settings this block has. If you click on settings, we can change the dimensions of the carousel to be square or a wider version of the ratio here. The mode setting lets us create a pop-up on click. So what this means, when your user clicks on the image, a pop-up will appear with the full version of the image and the additionally with the caption. We can select the version of the image that shows in the carousel, and if we do the pop-up mode, then we can also select the version of the image that will show in the pop-up. When in pop-up mode, alternatively, we can hide the captions from the carousel and only show them when the pop-up is opened. Let's keep it that way, and let's actually add some caption here for the first gallery item. But before we see how this behaves on the front end, let's talk a little bit about image behavior as well. There are three types of images: wide images that we call landscape, tall images that are called portrait, and exactly square images that consists of the exact same width and height. And we can decide what should happen with these images inside our carousel. Our carousel forces a specific image ratio here when we select the dimensions, and we can decide what happens with landscape, portrait, and square images separately. So this image, I believe, is a square image, and currently it's set to cover the gallery area. We can change it to contain instead, and you can see that now in this mode, there are no parts that are cut off from the image. Rather, there's a gap filler here in the sides, just to just so that the users don't miss any part of the edge of the images. In cover mode, there might be some areas that are cut off just to cater for that forced dimension for the gallery carousel. So let's say I want to save this and preview it on the front end. We can see when I click on this image, a pop-up appears with the caption text. So I can see the full version of the image this way.